For today's Google Classroom, we're going to be finding one more and one less. You're going to be looking at your number in the orange circle in the middle, and the first thing you're going to do is pull this oval down to the number line and find where it is. You're just going to put it right over top like that. Then we're going to find the number for one more than 41. You can use your number line to help you for this. So I'm going to look at one more, and that's going to be 42. So I double click on my question mark, and I use my keyboard to type in 42. Then I'm going to go and find one less, which I know is backwards. So I'm going to use my number line, and I'm going to help me decide one less than 41 is 40. So I double click on my question mark and type in 40 using my keyboard. Then at the bottom you have two equations. One is 41 minus 1, and the other is 41 plus 1. You can use your number line again to help you, or just use your brain. So 41 minus 1 I know is 40, so I'm going to double click the question mark and type in 40. Then over here, 41 plus 1 I know is 42, so I'm going to double click and type in 42 using my keyboard. I'm going to make sure I do all of the slides here on the side, and then when I'm finished, I'm going to turn it in to my teacher.